Here we go. Oh. Okay. That's the original cast album. Ooh. There's nothing in it. Okay. Okay, what is this? With a full picture book. You're gonna understand that one. Hoo-hoo. Wow. Who knew we had so many Beatles? Shari Lewis! Oh! Oh my goodness, check out these pictures. What's this? Oh, the White Albums. Oh, this must be a later album. This is, this has Hey Jude on it. There's Bob Dylan again. Another White Album. No idea. Oh. Two of these. Ah. I have no idea what that is. Back to Disney. Oh, and these are old 78s, Lady and the Tramp, and Mickey Mouse's birthday party. Ta-da!